It's trim.
Is it the trim?
Yeah. That's not going to get you anywhere.
Shoot. Come on.
Uh-oh.
Should be, yeah. I'll take you both.
That's not going to do it for you. Wow.
Wow, but if you're really good, at least you might get him. She was waiting for it.
What, did you get the litter thing? Or?